A surge in the number of cases of a disease called Mpox in African countries is alarming health chiefs. Most of the infections and deaths are in the Democratic Republic of Congo, but cases have also been detected in Rwanda, Kenya and Burundi. The World Health Organization has called an emergency meeting to determine if the outbreak constitutes a global emergency. Mpox was first discovered in lab monkeys in 1958, and it's endemic to parts of Central and West Africa. But cases have been increasing. In 2022, the World Health Organization declared a global epidemic. Initial symptoms are similar to flu, including aches and fever and swollen glands. They're followed by a painful rash that forms blisters. Mpox spreads through physical contact with infected people as well as contaminated surfaces and objects. It can also spread through contact with infected animals. Victoria Gatenby reports.
Byangwi Kakuru is suffering from Mpox. He's one of around 27,000 people in the Democratic Republic of Congo who've been diagnosed with the virus since the beginning of last year.
May the researchers do their best, let them work hard to find a cure, and let God help them too. It is with God's help that they will succeed in finding a cure for this disease.
Mpox is an infectious disease from the same family of viruses as smallpox. The outbreak has killed more than 1,100 people in the DRC since early 2023, most of them children.
My daughter had a high fever and then she started to get lesions on her body. She had rashes on her arms, on her abdomen and even on her tongue. I was told Mpox is a serious illness that could kill her, so I brought her to this treatment center.
The Africa Centers for Disease Control and Prevention say Mpox has been detected in 10 African countries this year. Cases are up by 160% on last year, and deaths have increased by nearly 20%.
We worry that some investigations aren't being carried out properly, and there is no follow-up of contacts of confirmed cases. We hope we'll be able to organise this better, especially in camps for displaced people. This is how we hope to break the chain of transmission.
The World Health Organization has released $1 million from its emergency fund to support the response to Mpox. It's also called an emergency meeting to discuss the potential for the disease to spread further, both on the continent and globally. Victoria Gatenby, Al Jazeera.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.